Be me. Software developer with a decade of experience with multiple programming languages. Look for software. GitHub URL. Nice, let me just check releases, I say. No released binary files. Never mind, I'll compile it by myself. Git clone repo URL. Follow README for compiling instructions. No instructions. Open makefile. Type make. Thousand of errors with libso.1. Look up errors. apt install libdev. Type make. Wrong version of lib. Try to make Docker file to compile using older versions since Ubuntu repos do not keep older versions of programs. Docker run rmtv bound _ volume Ubuntu. Install everything inside Docker and try to compile. Errors about Notex server running. Read issues in GitHub. It's all a bunch of people asking to support Hindi lang or ancient feature. It's all from 2 to 3 years ago. Read closed issues. It's all pageets modifying the readme.md to add examples to the CLI tool or fixing the typo. Say fuck it, try to compile by myself, on old Debian VM. Older Debian repositories are 404 or certain programs are not compatible. Keep trying on my host machine. After 2 hours managed to find obscured downvoted answer on Stack Overflow and Ubuntu forums. Never mind, resolved. Solution isn't posted. Another answer is I had to downgrade to previous version, answer from 5 years ago. Go into repo. Check out commit by commit until one compiles. I realize there's the script/build.sh file. Run the build.sh file. Bash syntax errors. Fix the syntax errors with the script. After 4 hours fixing everything managed to run the script/build.sh file, it finally compiles. Check build folder. It's only lib. So .1 files in, not a single binary executable file. Get tired of this shit, but I refuse to give up like a bitch. See if there's a working version of needed_software on the Snapcraft store. Snap search needed_software. There's one, click on it. It's a totally different thing with the same name by a Russian guy. Give up like a bitch. Happens all the time. Be me. Need only Skype, Xcode and a browser from iOS. Install latest Manjaro with Wayland KDE. Blurry fonts. Switch to Wayland GNOME. Everything sharp as hell, but too large. Try to put it on 125% by instead of 200% on my 4K monitor. Nope, Linux developers never learned fractions in school. Delete everything. Install Windows. Install WSL2. Be happy. Be me. Late 1900s. Read business articles about announcement coming from major business entrepreneur. It will change the world. Greatest invention ever. They will build cities around it. Big day comes. Fanfare. MFW, it's a segue. Nothing ever happens. Be me. New hire in infra team. Girl from help desk is assigned to get me set up with laptop. Pings me on Teams. Le English mess of non-gendered first names rears its head. I mistake her last name for first name. She calls me by last name in response. Realize my mistake, but troll with it as if it was intentional. We continue using the last name whenever we address each other in meetings and teams. Everyone is visibly confused by our poker faces when this happens. She was absolutely gorgeous. I want to go back. Be me. Browse 2chan for lols. See someone troll 17 uncles a lot. Turn JPIP. Make a thread saying why are the 17 uncles so proud of spending 20 years in this tranime site? https://may.2chan.net/b/rees/1188912073.htm. They take the bait and think I'm the JP person trolling them. TFW, no idea what they are saying. LMAO. Be me. K12IT. Be told to block AI stuff for students. Block AI stuff. Higher up comes bitching and moaning because now students don't have access to tech they need to know how to use. Allow AI. Teachers all come bitching and moaning and saying they are going to get the union rep to talk to me because now students can cheat with AI. Higher say not responding to anything regarding AI, they instantly go radio silent and hang up if I mention it. I think him about to be shit-canned because people want AI stuff without AI stuff being used for cheating, and now the union's pissed, probably going to be a sacrificial lamb from the higher-ups to appease the teachers' union. Be me retard. Have been using computers since before GNU plus Linux was a thing. Have no problems. Shit just works. Even when it doesn't, I just Google and am able to fix it. Computers are easy. Operating systems are easy. Wonder if maybe I was dropped on my head as a baby. Is Workflow Optimizer a real job? Be me. Enter new workplace. Figure out all the flaws and holdups in the workflow. Correct them. Often entails me writing software for specific cases where no commercial software is available or financially viable. Get big fat bonus, out of contract payment. Leave after a while because I absolutely cannot fucking do a job longer than a month if it is repetitive, maybe a year or two if it is non-repetitive. I feel like I'm a grifter at this point, but the bonuses, contract payments and referrals towards the industry talk. Can this be a viable career? Be me. Be frog poster. Come up with retarded thread. 300s. Sigh. Unironically wait, and in the meantime, think of 8 other retarded threads because I haven't gotten my fix yet. 300s pass and I post 3 threads instead of 1. What are the technological ramifications of this?